Check it. 1, 2, 3. Check maybe. Check maybe. 1, 2, 3.
I'll get back to you.
Bob!
Nobody cares. It's a good day today. Everything's good. Worked out nicely. I don't have anything to say if you have
How you
questions.
feeling today? How you feel to be free after 25 years?
I'll tell you the truth, when I walked into the door, it was the first feeling that I had, so I'm digesting it.
Did you ever think this day would come?
Yes. Because I constantly worked at it. I knew that they lied. I knew that I had the evidence on them, and all I had to do was get a good judge.
Who do you have to thank for this, do you think?
Raina, Noah Geary, the best darn attorney around, and the higher powers. Starting with Judge Lenahan up.
What have you done the last 2.5 decades in there to keep from just becoming angry and bitter and getting to a point?
A lot of nothing, enforced idleness. I read a lot, did a lot of legal work, and stayed out of trouble.
Are you bitter? Not bitter.
What do you think about your daughter's help for you?
I'm grateful. I knew when she came of age that she would help. She did.
What is the first thing you're going to do once you leave here?
Probably go get a lobster and shrimp. Then I'm going to check in with the Fayette County authorities, and I'm going to head for Florida.
How do you
Go swimming.
And go swimming?
Raina, how does it feel today to have your father released?
It's absolutely wonderful. I'm so happy for my dad, my family. It's been a long time coming.
What comes next?
We're in the driver's seat. I want to thank Bill Mushi and the Innocence Institute, the Attorney General's office. They have filed an appeal to Judge Lenahan's ruling as far as overturning the conviction. That's going nowhere. That won't, not going to fly. And then we're going to file malicious prosecution action, civil rights action against the prosecutors who did what they did today. So what comes next is we're just going to enjoy ourselves.
Very good.
Are you anxious at all about reintegrating back into society, and being able to live as a free man?
Please repeat that.
Are you anxious at all about getting back into society and living as a free man?
Anxious, you mean, am I nervous about it? Yeah. When I walk out here, my head's like spinning. I'm like bouncing off everything around here. I have no focus because this is new and it's so new, I'm still adapting to it. So give me a day or 2 or 3.
How does fresh air smell?
The rain feels great. I don't think that you should forget that there's a lot of innocent people behind those walls. And I'm not the only one. A lot of them don't have the ability to decipher law and things to do. A lot of them don't have the circumstance that I had, where they hid evidence and we found it. Went after it. A lot of them don't have that, but they're still innocent, so don't forget them.
You guys, this happened pretty suddenly. Do you have any feelings for what your future looks like?
I don't think 27 years is sudden, but no, I don't. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go get a computer and I'm going to get on the internet and I'm going to play, see what I can do.
What role did the innocence?
I might do a little legal work if I can find a lawyer that would trust my word.
What role did the Innocence Institute have to play?
Pardon me?
What role did the Innocence Institute have to play in today?
They got the ball started pretty much, and when they did, they packed a good snowball and rolled it down the hill, and it picked up a lot of steam.
What do you expect or hope will happen with regards to the people you prosecuted?
I can't say.
What went through your mind?
I would hope that they find justice, that they meet justice.
What went through your mind today in court when they said bail is granted?
Yeah, when she said yes, she's granting ROR bond. Right before that, I didn't expect her to some reason I just didn't expect her to. So I just blanked out and let it come. And when she said it, I was very happy.
Did you think you were having a period of deja vu from the last time a judge released you?
Yeah, it seems that way because I was wondering what's that?
They were talking about the guard, I think, the other day.
Yeah. I was wondering what they're going to do to try and stop this. But they may appeal. I don't know. They may arrest me this afternoon. Later, they may arrest me tomorrow. I have no idea. They can do that if they want, but I'm hoping that they don't. And I think Raina's hoping that they don't. And what do you have to say about that, Noah?
There's no basis to arrest you for anything, so I don't think that's going to be happening. And the Attorney General's office could have applied for a stay to block the release order, and they did not. I would have been more than disappointed had they done that. There was no basis to do that, so I appreciate that they did not do that. So we can get David some shrimp and lobster.
Have you thought of anything about why nobody's ever filed charges against all the, like Richard Bowen, you filed perjury charges on him, and then the judge has requested investigations, and Noah's requested investigations into what people have done to you.
What judge has requested investigation?
Judge Fidel did.
I don't think he did. I think he
referred it, I guess.
Balked on that. But what Judge Linehan said was she found their conduct outrageous, which I think is a hint to the U.S. Attorney to look into the matter because it is outrageous.
Raina, how soon do you expect to take your dad home? Tonight,
As soon as I can. Well, there's obviously, arrangements that we have to make, and we want to visit with family and everything up here, and but it will be within the next few days.
We want to visit the family graves.
Yes.
Have you thought all today about what you missed
What do you mean?
over these 25 years?
I don't know about that every day.
Are you going to get a cell phone now?
Yeah, I like the one Raina had. I'm getting on my brother's plan, so I'll have one.
Following on Bill's question.
Yes, I did.
That stand out as far as you should have been there?
Not really, because I was aware of it and I was there in spirit. One of my favorite pictures, by the way, to see it.
Do you have any problem with not having any civic clothes to walk out of there with?
Yeah, they didn't have anything. I'm wearing what they gave me. At least it doesn't have DOC.
Congratulations, brother.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
On the 22nd.
RAINA.
By the way, I couldn't even get a raise.
That's all right. You got plenty of time. Feeling okay today?
Feeling great.
I still do.
Yeah, these days they've got 4 blades and everything.
Okay, so very close by.
So I had 9.
And that's where we're going to be headed.
Look,
59.
you look a little different from when you came down the Post Gazette in 1984.
1984, I was a young man.
Yeah, that's right.
Now I'm almost your age.
That's right. I think I looked a little different back then too.
That's it. We're gonna go.
Alrighty.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Enjoy your life. Enjoy yourself.